everybody, and welcome. Today I am washing 4,000 miles of road grime, junk, bugs, you name it, off of the Model Y. Let's have a look here. Yeah, I would say a few bugs gave their life for my travels. It's got a coat of heavy dust and dirt. In the wheel wells, of course, we've got some good caked up dirt. This stuff is good Wyoming dirt. Yeah, look at it. Martian wheels fared okay. Oh man, this thing's a mess. In the back wheel well. Yeah, look at that. Slung dirt everywhere. That's all right. One of the benefits of doing a full paint protection film is it protects the finish from being scratched and that kind of stuff. Look at this. No mud flaps in the front. And it just spits everything right all over the whole car. All right, let's turn up the pitch here and let's get this baby clean. I am ready to wash. So the procedure is as follows. I take my pressure washer and I wash down the car, getting off all of the large stones, rocks, junk like that. I do the wheel wells and knock off all of the big stuff. Second procedure is I stick my foam cannon on there and I coat the whole outside with foam. I then use a microfiber cloth, a bucket of clean water, and I go through and I wipe down all of the surfaces. I do not do wax on, wax off curly. It's always linear strokes, as you'll see. And then after I wipe it down, it gets all the film off of everything. Then I rinse it off. Then I'll take it inside. I'll use a beach towel, and I'm going to try something new. I've got a leaf blower. I'm going to try my leaf blower, blow off the bulk of the water, then dry it with my giant beach towel inside the doors, and I am done. So let's get to it. That's it. Model Y's clean. Let's have a look how clean. Yep. The floor is not clean. That's the vacuum cleaner next. Let's look at the inside of the doors. Yeah, see, all that dust and dirt all got wiped out. See, it's all nice and clean. You just do that with your wet towel. There you go. Vacuum and do some windows and I am good. That's what came off of the rag itself. That was after I pressure washed it and wiped it down after soaping up the car. That is what you get. Yeah, and here's just a sample of the junk that came off the inside of the wheel wells and all around the car. I guess I stole quite a bit of sand and dirt on my trip. That is as hard as it is to wash your car. As you saw, not difficult. Look at that baby shine. Yeah. If you like today's video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to look for the next upcoming episodes. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.